I don't know. Have a good day.
Should we start? I mean, I'm already recording. Carl, do you want to be in the intro? Oh, that was my shoulder. Sorry, David doesn't want to be in the intro. Merry Christmas and happy holidays, everybody. Today we are going to be baking cookies because it is the holiday season and we are doing a cookie exchange on Christmas. So today we are going to be baking thumbprint cookies. Sounds strange, but you'll see what they are. We actually did bake cookies the other day. We made some double chocolate, like candy cane ones, and then spritzer cookies. I did not record us making that, so I'm going to record today instead. Let's start making these cookies. What do we need to do first?
Hold on, I'm not ready.
David is the one with the recipes. I just do what he tells me to do. I'm not the baker. David is. I'll help, but I don't know what I'm doing 9 out of 10 times. I also don't know what I'm doing now. So David already started this. We have 3.5 cups of flour. We're gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Let's start with the baking powder. And now we whisk these ingredients together. Now we are adding 3 sticks of butter. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Here's the melted butter. Now you're going to add the cup of sugar. Nice. Step is to now roll the dough into 1-inch balls.
Oh, this is not gonna work.
If you can. Do you have to get it cooler?
I don't know. Or do you just do it like that and then...
Yeah, something's wrong here. We are using an ice cream scoop because it didn't work with our hands. And then you will press your thumbprint in there and fill it with jam. Now you can use whatever jam you want. I prefer the apricot. I think I'm one of the only people in the world that does, at least in my family. Nobody likes the apricot but me, and everybody else likes the strawberry. But again, you can use whatever your heart desires. Now you don't have to use your thumb, you can use a spoon, so we're just gonna... It's still not working.
Oops.
A little something like that. Just a hole big enough to put the jams in. Now, we are by no means professionals, so don't judge.
Okay.
But this is what it's gonna look like for right now. David is scooping the jam in. I tried my best to create the little holes. It's not that easy because the dough is, I don't know.
Doughy.
Very doughy. But I do love these cookies. They're probably one of my favorite.
Let's see how they turn out.
Hopefully good. Also, it's funny because whenever we use jams, we go, yam jams. And if you guys have seen the live version of Aladdin, you'll understand. I'll put the clip in.
We have jams.
Jam?
Jams? Yes, jams. Yam jams, fig jams,
Yum jams.
and date jams. Seedless, delicious, exotic jams.
Move away from the jams.
What?
I'm recording this on December 22nd, 3 days before Christmas. It's Sunday and the Patriots are playing and I'm super happy. These came out a lot better. Now we are using the apricot jam. We did a double batch, but for some reason, it doesn't seem like it made that many.
I probably just made these too big, but
It's okay though.
it's fine.
I mean, again, the only one that really eats apricot is me, so. So, I don't think they're supposed to look like that. Yeah. Baking going terribly wrong. Anyways, put them in the oven for 13 minutes. The ones on the bottom look like eggs. Well, that is why I said we are not professionals, because clearly we don't know what we're doing. We made these last year and they turned out good, so I don't know what we're doing wrong, but 13 minutes was not long enough for the first batch. We might have just made them a little too thick. So we're gonna keep those cooking and we'll check on them again in a few minutes. Here is the updated look. They are starting to brown. Whoa, look at that jelly bubbling. I think they're gonna be fine. David is now separating the cookies so they don't get stuck together. They smell really good. They don't look the best, but they smell good. Last year's looked better, but it's okay. It's okay. It's called learning experiences. Don't come for us in the comments. Test it. It's coming off clean. It's looking good. Okay, so there was a teensy little mishap and it turns out a little butter wrapper was still in the bowl. That is not my fault. Those little butters are not easy to unwrap. Here's a look at the spritzer cookies we made the other day. We made some green Christmas trees, red snowman, and blue snowflakes, but those are buried at the bottom. Here are the apricot ones. Look at that bubbling. David just took a bite of the cookie and said it is the best cookie that he's ever had in his life, so let's give this a try. I didn't get too much jelly because, again, I don't really like the strawberry one, but... That's good. Again, they don't look the best, but they taste phenomenal. I think we did a really good job. If you learn anything from this video, it is don't judge a book by its cover. Because they're still amazing. David said the apricot ones are just all right, but he doesn't like apricot. I do. Let's try it. They're good. I like it. Love apricot. Only in this though. Well, that is going to be the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And again, Merry Christmas to all those who celebrate, and happy holiday season. We do have more videos coming related to the holidays, so stay tuned for those. I'm super excited for the one we have planned coming up. Be sure to like, subscribe, share, stay tuned for more, and we will see you guys very soon with another holiday video. Ha. That's it, I'm not going.